Hey guys, in today's video we will discuss how to cancel an order on Depop as a seller. Watch this video to the end to learn more. As a seller, you can cancel an order in two ways, depending on the payment method used by the buyer. First, if the buyer has paid using the Depop payments method, follow these steps, log into your account, and click on the Sold Items section on the Depop website at www.depop.com. The link is in the description or on the app. Identify the order you wish to cancel and click on the refund option. Choose whether the buyer is to be refunded partially or in full. Finally, confirm the request so that the buyer can be notified of the cancellation. Second, if the buyer has paid through PayPal, here are the steps to follow. Log into your PayPal account. Click on the Activity tab to view transaction details. Find the specific transaction corresponding to the Depop order. Choose the type of refund you wish to issue. Click on the Issue a Refund button to complete the process. And that is how to cancel a sale on Depop. Thanks for watching.